Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In this video, we will talk about the third wave of coronavirus in India and when will it come. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before talking anything else about the COVID waves, first let's see how does the COVID wave occur. When a virus is widely circulating in a population and causing many infections, the likelihood of the virus mutating increases. The more opportunities a virus has to spread, the more it replicates, and the more opportunity it has to undergo changes. Now, let's have a comparison and see what happened in the last two waves of COVID and what can be the possibilities in the third wave. Talking about the first wave, the causative organism was the SARS-CoV-2 virus or the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. Knowledge about the disease. There was less knowledge about the disease as it was new. The symptoms were more related to the respiratory system. The severity of the disease was more intense. Age of the patients. Mostly older population was affected in the first wave. Healthcare workers were less trained and were not vaccinated. Medicine availability. There was an acute shortage of medicine. Bed capacity was very limited and ventilator beds were less than 25,000. There was an acute shortage of PPE kits too. Vaccine. Vaccine was not available at that time. The cost of treatment and testing was high and the oxygen requirements by the patient was less. The disease spread was slower and the plasma therapy was limited because only people who recovered from COVID could donate plasma as it had antibodies in it. Death rate was higher because vaccine was not available and there was very less knowledge about the disease. And lastly, the number of positive cases in the beginning were lower. Now, let's see what happened in the second wave and how will it affect the third wave. The causative organism in the second wave were several mutants of SARS-CoV-2 virus. The knowledge about the disease was more than the first wave, and the symptoms were newer like gastrointestinal problems. The severity was less intense than the first wave, and this time the age of the patients were younger patients unlike the first wave. The healthcare workers were well trained and were mostly vaccinated by this time. Medicine was available at the pharmacies and the hospitals. The bed capacity was enhanced than the first wave, and the ventilator beds were increased to more than 50,000. PPE kits were plenty and were getting manufactured at a faster rate. This was the time when the vaccines were available, which were Covishield and Covaxin. The treatment price and testing cost were reduced. The oxygen requirements by this time were increased than the first wave. And the disease spread was much faster than the first wave because some people were not wearing masks and the rules were not being followed properly. The plasma therapy was increased because there were more people who had antibodies in their plasma. The death rate was reduced because of proper treatment, but the number of positive cases were much higher because of the same reason for the faster spread of the disease. Although the recovery rate was very good as compared to other countries. Now, we can predict the possibilities in the third wave. Firstly, it is confirmed that the third wave will be there in India in coming months. But the better part is, it is expected that the third wave will be weaker because vaccination drive is at a faster pace and proper availability of materials is there. So, what all things we need to keep in mind? First and foremost, get vaccinated as soon as possible. Secondly, people who are already vaccinated still need to wear masks. Proper sanitization should be maintained. And social distancing should be maintained and there shouldn't be any areas where there is crowd because that would be a perfect spot for the disease spread. Get vaccinated and stay safe. So that is it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, follow us on Instagram. Links in the description.